Question 15. In this example, I have the dogs' names. I have their first name and then their last name. So what we're going to do in another cell is we're going to combine the names together, starting with the last name first, and then a comma and a space, and then the first name. And the function that I use for that is concatenate. If you don't know where to find concatenate, it's always under your formulas tab in the text because we're combining strings of text. So it's under the abbreviation concat. So I'm going to select concat, and then it opens up my functions argument dialog box. And what I'm going to do is I want the last name first, so that's the cell I'm going to select first. And then in my text 2, I want that comma and then a space. The comma will come right after the last name and then a space before the first name. And then in text 3, I want to select the first name. And I'm going to click on OK. And you can see if I widen this that there's the last name, comma, Lulu Zubik. And all I have to do is then just drag this down with my fill handle and it plugs in the rest.